What's good, everybody? Good morning. I watched a bunch of March Madness yesterday. I had no idea. Let's see here. How's everyone doing? Let me get the chat pulled up. Here. Pop this. Oh. Bro, this Eddie Parks dude was in Tanya's stream yesterday, and he was just like clowning me, bro. I was like, bro, please don't hop on my chat tomorrow. Your haters really be your biggest fans, bro. I swear to God. Oh my God. I was saying this to Tanya. Haters really be your biggest fans, bro. Oh my God. I know it is. I'm just playing. What up?
I need your help.
1 second, guys. I'll be right back. All right, we back. Okay. All right. So 9:20 here. So low key. I mean, here we're having another week, right? It's Friday, and we're trading right at the weekly open. So what's that tell you? We're in a consolidated market, and the market hasn't moved much. Now, in a perfect world, well, we're not in a perfect world, but I would love for price to go lower here, but we're probably going to inverse this hourly gap and push higher to previous day high, just because we took out previous day low, and you got to be very tedious. You know, if you didn't catch this move, the best thing to do is probably look for longs back up to here now. Unfortunately, if we get some good displacement lower, I will take a short down a previous week low, which is right here at 24. Was it 218? ES already took it, but you know that's kind of why I think we're gonna push higher today, which is not something I want to see, but maybe we'll catch a trade in there. Let's pop into the Discord chat here. Let's see what the boys are saying. Here. Yo, what's up, boy?
Yo.
Bro, you not believe what happened, bro. You know how I went on Tanya's stream yesterday?
Hey. I can't hear Nick.
Can you hear me?
Wait. Oh, wait. Hold on. Talk now.
Yo, what's up?
All right, I hear you. We're good.
You know how I went on Tanya's stream yesterday?
Yeah.
There was this one dude that was just like clowning me the whole time. I was like, bro, please do not pull up on my live streams. I pull up to start the live streams, and he has already been in the chat like for freaking 10 messages, bro. Like, all caps, too.
Why is he clowning you?
Oh, he's not. He says it's just jokes, but I was like, bro, your haters really be your biggest fans.
Damn.
He was there like 8:15 or 8:45. I'm like, damn, bro. All right, but I'm kind of leaning bearish, but I have a feeling we're gonna flip long.
Yeah, I mean,
Well, hopefully we can short this son of a bitch right here. I'd like to short this right now. I think if we inverse the hourly gap at 10, we look for longs. If we start to respect it, we just go short. I think that's an easy plan today.
Yeah.
I would love for it to go lower. Oh my God, I'd love for it. That'd be the best move all week. But currently, right now, we're 50 points from the weekly open on a Friday.
I've just noticed a lack of just SMT in the market. There's just like I'm not seeing
Really?
like any cracks in correlation that have been giving me intention to take trades.
I've seen it. I've actually seen a lot of SMT. The problem is it doesn't hold.
Like even if we go lower from this hourly gap, I I can't take it.
I could short this breaker right here if we can get a retest. Oh crap, that's not even though. Oh shit, I gotta go live on TikTok. Pew 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 pew.
Yeah, I agree with that, K4.
Give it 5 minutes, so I have to request an appeal. Yeah, it's Friday for sure. You know, Fridays are not my best days, but we will see what we can do. All right, get that pulled up. Bro, this is actually insane, bro. So we had a sweep here, right?
30-minute gap tag.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna do my regular job as to letting the 9:30 15-minute candle print, and then I figure out what happens after that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, what's up, Lewis? You looking for lower? Yeah. Wow, Eddie, we actually agree on something. Um, I would love for lower prices. I just hate how NQ barely tapped that previous day low, but we still have that previous week low down there at 24,213, which I think it's another 200 points. So even if I don't catch this initial move lower, I can still look for a 15-minute gap to the downside. By the way, we are doing a giveaway today because I feel like a lot of people been getting wrecked in these markets. I mean, I'm pretty much break even past 2 weeks, so I'm gonna do a giveaway today.
Yeah, YM took out the SMTRT. Now there's SMT at the lows.
Don't even bother looking at ES, guys. ES looks like chop. Bro, you telling me this woman just keeps dying and dying and dying, bro? Hey Eddie, there's a button on your keypad. It says caps lock. If you could just tap it one time and then you can type whatever you want to say. Just, I appreciate the yeah. Make sure you guys like the stream, sub. Um, Definitely gonna do a giveaway today. Everyone, I got so many messages this week. Like, bro, like think the algo's changed. I'm like, bro, like just manage risk. Like, I feel you, man. It's been tough. But in the day, like for me, uh, I see your caps lock button. It's still broke. Matt, you watching March Madness last night?
Yeah, dude, I had Howard plus 31.5 against Michigan.
Mm-hmm.
That was a tingler. I had VCU beating
I did too.
BYU.
Yeah.
That was crazy game.
Bro, look at this white boy right here, bro. Like, I want you to see what's wrong with this video before you see what he does. Like, I just want you to pause it before it happens and then just
Ohio
analyze.
State bracket. Oh no, go ahead. I did not have TCU. Ohio State fucked me.
Yeah, I saw it yesterday.
You texted to me?
Yeah, I just texted
Oh.
to you.
Oh, also, what the fuck is good with Georgia?
What?
How is Georgia that ass?
No, see, I thought they were gonna win, bro.
Dude, I had Georgia fucking money line, and then what? Like,
Yeah.
they get blown, their backs get blown out? Like,
Hmm.
excuse me?
And then I'm watching March Madness. I freaking forgot the Lakers game on. Luka dropped a damn 60 piece. I was like, bruh.
Yeah, that's tough.
But
Ew, that's like a half court pop. Holy shit.
but look at the time, bro. Like it was a fast break, 5 minutes left. He just pulled up. Like,
That was the fastest release I've seen for a three. Like, wow.
hey, bro. I wanna, I want his confidence, bro.
Yeah, that was a very fast pop. He didn't even hesitate. Just like the, it's like he did a volleyball pass.
Like he just pulled up from like almost half court with 5 minutes left and 30 seconds on the shot clock. Like he didn't give a crap. He's like, nah. He said, hold this. And then Cade
Yeah,
Cunningham's
that's
out for a little
crazy.
bit. Cade Cunningham, let this clock sit.
Um,
How do you add Pacific people in the chat? Well, I know you have to turn your caps lock off, bro. And then you can add them, and then you can type their name. Yeah, I got a lot of highlights, so watch. Ah, there it is. Appeal. I don't know what I'm doing wrong right now. Fucking tag.
I think that the Nasdaq is probably going to trade to this low. The Dow Jones is still acting strong. I don't have any SMT that I could use as framework for a short, so like it's completely outside of my model. Um, it's really up to you guys based off of if you want to take something beyond that. Jack's Daily News update still being bombed. What the fuck?
Damn, bro, that's crazy. Still
It's
alive,
actually
bro. Another day, another
insane.
day you wake up. It's another blessing. I need to charge my phone.
It's literally insane to say that. Um, mm, 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 mm.
Oh man.
Mm, 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 mm.
Oh man, another
Yep.
day, another dollar. Let's see. All right, so we got 15 minute closure happening here in 5 minutes. Let's see what happens. We do have SMT at the lows.
Damn, look at the fucking Dow. What the fuck is that?
Let me look at your Dow chart. Oh my god, that was horrible. Yesterday it
Yeah,
looked pretty good actually.
yeah.
Yesterday it was moving.
Dude, London is so
Oh
clean,
my
bro.
god, bro. I'm so jealous of Ralph, bro.
It's so clean.
It is.
Also, what was that? What happened at like 3:55? Like, what is this? 2:55 to 3 o'clock. There was just like a two five
Oh yeah,
minute
yeah,
candle,
yeah, that's crazy.
green bean, nut offs. Like what? Realistically, the only thing that I could look at right now is if we frame longs, if we inverse the 5 minute gap.
We need to get bro. If we did London streams, bro, y'all would be zombies by the New York AM session.
I would have to completely change up my sleep schedule.
Alright, so we have this 5 minute gap here. Ugh. I want to see how we. I'm gonna pay attention to how we react in the lower time frame, like the 1 minute, just in case. I want to see us.
Actually, there's never mind. There, I can't do anything. I can't do anything long or short. I take that back. But I would like Nasdaq to go lower to this external low at least. If we, I can't. I don't want to frame a reversal unless it's framed from taking out a swing point low.
Yeah, I'm at short right now. Pretty light, I believe. If I drag this here, what is this? Okay. I'm short this right now. So it's just the market.
What did you say, RT?
I
Only
shorted.
S&P.
Yeah, I just shorted right now. 433. Stop at 491. 488.
Oh,
Sorry.
yeah, RT. I see it. It's in this 15 minute gap, right?
Yeah.
I think it's a 30 minute as well. That 30 minute right here.
Uh huh. Yeah. So I'm currently on the short right now. Pretty light. Now I'm giving myself a little bit of gunpowder just in case we rip higher here and inverse
I
back to the
pray to
upside.
God this goes short here.
Huh?
I said I pray that it goes short here. I wanted to take out the external low before it goes
Yeah.
and does anything higher.
Um.
YM is fucking around.
I'm paying attention also to the 15-minute candle closure. So this is framed off of the hourly. This hourly gap right here, that I want to see us reject from, and then start to move towards previous week low. If this doesn't work out and we displace higher, you could be looking for longs back to Asia highs, which is not a bad play. But I want to see us reject from here.
Mitts, there's just no way that I would wake up in the morning at 2 a.m. and trade and think properly. There's just like no way. I can't. I would not. I would be a zombie.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It wouldn't be.
I would never fucking do that. As much as like how clean price action is, I would never give up my sleep to fucking trade.
It's like ES is pumping a little bit here.
Oh, that lower 15 minute gap. Okay.
I want to see how we react to this breaker. Okay, yeah, what is not even freaking. You tried to go long yesterday, Matt?
Yeah, no, I did.
Same boy VWAP doing. Ooh.
I did. I took one entry that I cut pretty short early.
Mm-hmm.
I think I lost like half, and then the second entry that I took, I just closed break even.
Gotcha.
This looks good now.
Oh man. So basically, I'm trying to frame shorts down to this previous week low is all I'm trying to do, and I don't even need that to hit. I could just take the price, just take this 6 a.m. low, and I'd be out of the trade. But 1 hour FEG, 5-minute breaker, looking for a short in there. Did go a little light because we did already take this previous day low, and we're trading right at weekly open. And I have a feeling that price could, consolidate today. It is OPEX, and lately we just seen price on Fridays just not be that good. So it wouldn't surprise me if this gets invalidated, and then in 13 minutes we close above this hourly gap. As much as I like it. Let's see what happens. On the 15-minute close. A little indecisive. What's up, Mo? What's up, Annie? What's up, Jonte? What's up, Boss? What's up, Eddie? What's up, Emily? Michael? KD? RT? Yeah. What's up? What's up? We just try to make some money today is all we try and do. If this doesn't work out, I'll give myself one more shot at it. Either a long or a short, depending on how we inverse, if we do inverse higher, and if we still have enough meat on the bone to target these Asia highs. But if this hits, I'll probably be one and done today for sure. Pew, 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 pew. Everybody got a stick. We don't run fast. Even that. All right. Starting to get rejection lower. Yeah, of course. Paranoid AI. Did you figure out your math yet, bro? I know we were beefing on it earlier. Not really beefing, but if you want to, you can reduce the risk and put your stop here at the swing high. Wouldn't be a bad play.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
It's Friday. Like, I feel like majority of people already had a tough week. Cut your risk in half. If I lose here, it'd be freaking what, $50 per account. Like, my bruh. Like, who cares? Now, what I'm going to do is something a little bit different today. I'm going to trail my stops down to this low. So I'm going to keep moving this bad boy. I'm going to be pretty aggressive with my... So once we hit this previous day low, especially since I only have one contract. If we displace through this low, I'm gonna hold this thing. Alright, let's get a rejection here. And as soon as we hit this, I'm going break even. But I do want to catch this bigger move here, another 100 points or so. Yeah, guys, stick me on a little fast. Yeah, hit the thumbs up, guys. Text. Type 1 in the chat if you're in this trade. We still have an idea here. 1 RT's in it. Yeah, 15 minutes. Honestly, bro, like this is outside. I think it was a trade on Tuesday I took that was a little uncharacteristic of me. This is the same trade I've been taking, bro. Like I just been losing, you know. I think 3 or 4 losses or something like that. You guys just have to think a little bit longer than what you do. Like if I tell someone, hey, I'm gonna give you a trade model that's gonna give you a 70% win rate, you know, with a 1 to 1.8, 1.2 risk to reward, you'd be like, hell yeah, right? But then I didn't tell you you're gonna lose your first 30 trades, your first 3 trades. How you gonna deal with it then? You see what I mean? So that's what you guys have. Just gotta think a little bit longer. ES this low. I don't see anything stopping us from going lower here. 15 minute. There is that 15-minute gap. It's gonna close here in 5 minutes. We could see potential pullback here into that 1-minute gap. No SMT for shorts, no. I don't think so. I don't necessarily need it. Honestly, too, here. Given how we're displacing. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because I'm not taking any partials. I'm going to try to hold this thing down to a previous week low. So, in order to make up for not taking partials, I need to be more aggressive with trailing my stop. That's the reason for this. That's the reason for what I'm doing. 955. So, good displacement through this candle closure, through this candle low. I'm sorry. I want to see the same thing here on this 6 a.m. and then continue lower to previous week low. The day you joined late. Yeah, I'm sorry, dude. I just saw a setup, man. Like I took it. You should have got it, bro. They sent them out already. I got a bunch of people saying thank you. You may want to check your email or log in. So we're getting that move lower here. This is a free trade at this point. I'm actually gonna move my stop a little bit in profit right here. This is your first trade of the week on fundeds, dude. I'm so jealous of you, bro. I'm so jealous of you. I've had so many like break even trades this week. So if we catch this bad boy all the way down here, it's 220 points. So we just ran this low. Um, Definitely trailing stop to this fair value gap below right here. All right. Are you taking the breaker? Oh, I've already took the breaker. ES 6608. So ES still hasn't hit 6608. So this is really, really good for shorts. I agree. I agree, Jonta. I agree. Could definitely see that happen. I hope it doesn't, but I hope we just slam lower here. This will be freaking 220 points. Like I freaking deserve this. Like, I don't think you guys understand. For sure. I was just saying me because like I'm currently in it. All right, I'm trailing stop here again. I don't go. If I'm not taking partials, I am trailing my stop aggressively every single time. And the only reason I'm not taking partials is because one, because I only have one contract, and then two, um, we just gotta run this freaking low. Like god dang already. ES took that low as well. It's about to be 10 o'clock, so expect some 10 a.m. fuckery here. I could see us like already like wick back up. That was a good closure right there. That's a good closure below previous day low, or this swing low, sorry. Make sure you guys liking the stream too. I heard that if you guys like the stream, price goes to where we want it to go as well. And we also do more giveaways if that happens. We give away more accounts if that happens. It's just, I heard it from a friend. Don't know if it's true or not.
Um, I don't really know. Besides Nick's draw, for the low at 24,220. If we're gonna get a catch up move, we could probably get a move on the Dow from the 5 minute. But again, like I'm basically just tape reading this with you guys. It matches Nick's, not mine. So yeah. Like if YM closes below here, or if you wanted to short the Dow here from the 5.
No, 65 points is what we need. Or 55 points is what we need. To full TP. Also, too, I just noticed when Matt said 15-minute. The 15-minute gap, it's probably going to form. The high of the gap will be right here at 379. Our stop is right here at 389. So, is what it is. YM is the strongest. ES. Okay. Yeah, so NQ is the weakest for sure.
Nasdaq's going down to that draw that you have to break the SMT on that daily. Hopefully that finally trends us on a higher time frame.
But I know there's so many dads in my chat when I get this question. Any tips for a receding hairline? At least I'm now on my ICP. I don't have that problem. I'd probably say don't wear hats as much. I think that kind of stunts the growth of your hair, I think. But I ain't that old.
Yeah,
I'm
that'll
about
fucking
28.
destroy your hair. That'll destroy your hairline.
Be profitable and get yourself a transplant. There you go.
Bro, I've seen some of these bulls that go to like Turkey and they get that hair transplant and their head like in
That's what someone just
flames
said.
like mega mind.
Bro, you know what my wife said last night? She was like, "You
What?
see how Dodgy's hair is like fizzy in the front?" I'm like, "Yeah." She was like, "He's gonna need a hair transplant within 5 years." I was like, "Why is
I
that?"
can promise you, bro, he's definitely going to go get one because of all these fucking things that he's doing to his body.
Oh yeah, like
He's so insecure, bro, that he's gonna like the second that he sees one flaw, he's gonna automatically pay to go get it fixed.
yeah.
I wouldn't be surprised if that kid starts doing Botox. Because some girl or someone says, "Yo, you have wrinkles in your forehead." He's like, "Wait, actually?"
He'll be like, whoa, what's that mean? What's that mean? And then he'll be like, do a wheel back. He'll be like, oh my god, like my friend Samantha here just told me the X, Y, and Z. What do y'all think? And then the chat will vote like 60%. Yeah, go get it because they're like trying to see what he'd look like an idiot or whatever. And so he'll like, oh my god, now I gotta go get it, and then he buys it.
Exactly that.
What was the initial risk on this trade? So the initial risk was actually right here at this high. So I risk about close to
Let
like
me track this for you.
106 on this account. Now with Tradecopia, you want your smallest account, which is like this small 50K I have, to be the leader so it copies easier. But I have some 150Ks I'm copying as well.
Go bald. If you care about hair then much, then go to Turkey. Dodgy is allegedly up 2.3 million. Okay. I love the kid though. I just love I just love bashing on him.
Yeah, no, same here.
2.3 million blown again.
Here we go. How do you come? How do you overcome second guessing your setups? I had this played out and second guess myself. So right before I entered, I checked the chat, and someone said, longs are the play. The short is stupid, so I shorted even more. I'm joking. I just kind of had this played out, and I just kind of took it. If you had this played out as well and you didn't take it, you probably had maybe trying to size a little bit too much, or maybe you probably have been getting wrecked the past couple of days in the market, and that's what it does to you. Like when you're in a losing streak, what happens? Like Steph Curry on a losing streak, his confidence ain't gonna wear down a little bit, right? But he's still gonna keep shooting, so you just gotta keep shooting. So, yes, that's a good thing. If we inverse the 5, I could see myself closing. Because that would be basically where my full TP was at. Well, not my full TP, where my initial TP was at, anyways. If we inverse the 5, so we'll wait and see how that closes there. This is that. So if I inverse the 5, or price inverses this 5-minute gap here, I'll probably just close it. Because odds are it's going to come up and tap here, and I don't want it to do that. Everybody got to stick real fast.
YM is megaphoning, bro. Shit look like Dookie.
Megaphone lower? Or just run the low, now it's coming back up the
It just looks like a
megaphone.
megaphone.
Wow. Bro, did you see the end of the VCU UNC game?
Yeah, dude, it was fucking nuts.
Like, did you see Buddy tried to get the rebound off of the free throw because they needed 2 points, and he hit at the backboard? You're supposed to hit the rim.
That was literally insane.
Like he missed he missed the rim. Like he just nailed the backboard, and that means they're gonna blow the whistle. And what's the RR? 4. Yeah, it was retarded. Oh God, I'm banned. It was stupid.
Oh, be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful. They're gonna get you for that one.
Probably, yeah.
Immediately when I said that word, I was banned. Like literally the span of 5 seconds.
Trailing here to this high. Where's my boy Eddie at? I haven't seen Eddie in a while. Oh my God, bro! I just got banned.
I knew it. I told you.
Well, I'm still live, I think, but that's crazy.
It's the same thing with Twitch too. Twitch gets you too.
Yeah, stops going
The
here.
only one that doesn't get you is Kick.
I feel like YouTube too.
No,
You got hit on YouTube before?
Out-of-pocket shit on YouTube.
I'll put this over here just so y'all see.
Nasdaq is failing to manipulate at that low. It should at least go to next draw.
Hope so too.
Since we're closing below the low.
Yeah, if we get price to go below this low, I'll probably move stop here. But where is Eddie at? Like, he was just in here hating, and then now he just dipped? We can't do that, bro.
Who's hating?
Eddie. He was the guy I told you that was, he joined early this morning. He was like, what's the bias? He said, he joined the stream like 9 a.m. or 8:55, and he was like, he's like, who's ready to watch this guy? I don't know where price is going. I'm like, bro, I haven't even started a stream and you already hate him, bro.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't
either, but I was in Tanya's stream yesterday, and he kept just clowning me the whole time. I'm like, bro, please don't join
because Tanya's on because Tanya has a guy on the stream.
Yeah.
and then obviously the other guys in the stream are gonna like act all protective over Tanya.
Oh, he's actually still in here. Let's see. He pops up in the chat. That way, where you at?
Oh, March Madness nuke.
If we get
Santa
below this
Clara
low,
plus 3.5.
what you say?
Santa Clara plus 3.5.
Hmm.
I'm taking it.
Bro, I tell you what. If
Where's that
Arkansas
at?
plays Arizona, whatever you do, put Arkansas to cover. Arkansas looks freaking good, dude. Holy cow.
Who did they play? Hawaii?
They
And
played
they
Hawaii,
fried
but dude,
Hawaii.
they just beat the crap out of them, bro.
Yeah,
Like,
I know. I had
and they
Hawaii
just won the
plus 15 and a
SEC. Like
half like a dumbass.
they're like one of those teams that got hot late, you know.
Yeah, I had Hawaii like plus 15 and a half like
Like
a
3 weeks ago,
bro.
they got their ass beat by Florida, and then ever since then, bro, they got a cuff back, who's like probably gonna get top 3 pick in the draft, and he is
I
originally
almost said the word. I didn't say it. I didn't say it. I didn't say it. TikTok, I did not say it. I did not say it. Am I in a trade? No, Nick is short down to 24,220.
Oh yeah, I forgot about Emily. Emily was like shorts will
Oh
lose.
my
Just left the
God,
chat.
it got me, bro. Okay, I got a violation. I got a warning. I didn't even complete the word. Like, I literally didn't even complete the word. That's bullshit.
Stop's gonna go right around in here. If we
YM is
displace
going
through it.
down to the low at 46.12. Yeah, no, dead ass. They actually like they're so I don't understand that. These AI ops, bro. Took the 5 minute OB on YM, good. I would go break even or partial out at 46.12 and then just close full when NASDAQ runs out 24,220.
Okay. I'm gonna give it another minute and a half. If we displace through this low, stop is going to swing high on the 5 minute at 24,328, which would have been my old TP, right? So like, you see how I just trailed stop, reduce risk, reduce risk, reduce risk. When I see the markets moving in my direction to where I want it to go, that's what I'm doing. You know, if your favorite mentor can't do this live, I don't know what to tell you, bro. Get a new mentor. That's what I'll tell you. Oh yeah, that was good. That was a good video for sure. Processing how you approach scaling the accounts and the timeline. Scaling the accounts, just trade. Just trade. Trade that process, and you'll take that will
Exactly
take care
that,
of itself.
K4.
We need about 30 points. No, yeah, 30 points.
That's why you did not hear the order filled from me.
Okay, so we just spliced through this low. Stop's gonna go right here. Yeah, I mean this is can't get much better than this, right? Previous week low is the target. It's 24,213.
Who in Discord, wait, or Discord or TikTok took this?
Previous week low.
I think you might be good. There she is.
Patience pays. This is your only trade of the week, bro. I'm so jealous of you, bro. Honestly, I wish I just would have slept in. I can't sleep in,
That's a
but
W.
what's a 15-minute look like? Maybe open high on the 15-minute. It's probably honestly going for this gap on the 15-minute, if I were to guess. Now I don't want to hold that because I want to get paid for this trade that I sat in, right? But if you guys did take
Here,
partials,
wait.
I'd give yourself
Nick,
some. Yeah, what's up?
where was your entry to for shorts?
433.
4-3. So Nick was in from 4-3-3, and his stops are trailed in profit with the runner contract to
329.
218 or 217, and his stops are at 329.
Yep.
This 5-minute swing high. Oh wait, shit! I gotta drag this over for TikTok. There.
But wait, you're close to. Yeah, well, you gotta think about it. I'm up 300 per account, though. You see what I mean? So it's not. It's the same thing. It's just. I just like to think of it as one account. You know what I mean? I would never risk $700 on like a 50K account unless I'm trading eval. That's just stupid. If scammers are making people, I try not to focus down on that stuff too much. I don't even go on the Twitter For You page.
Yeah, that's literally a death trap.
Yeah, like it used to be pretty good like 3-4 years ago. Now it's like, bro, like it's brain rot now.
It's horrible. It's like actually like
Yeah,
the trading space is a toxic wasteland.
yeah.
Nick took this on the 5-minute on NQ.
You just gotta stay on the following page. Like I only follow the homies.
Let's see. Yeah, following page for sure. Let's go to Santa Clara. Santa Clara is on at 12:15.
Yeah, my first
Plus
game.
3.5.
2 hours.
Plus 3.5. We are taking that.
Playing Kentucky, right?
Yeah, I believe so. Here, wait, hold on. How
Yeah,
much
because
do
they're
I
a
need
10
for
seed.
this?
Yeah.
Two. Okay, we're taking this.
Is it okay if I risk
Yep.
too much on the eval?
Bingo. Taking.
Yes.
Santa Clara plus 3.5. Dun, 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 dun.
Appreciate it, DK. I just don't really care about what happens. That's how I care about like my plan, executing the plan, and like that's it, man. Like that's how you get good precision and patience and stuff like that. Bro, Chuck Norris died. What the world? He was 86? What was I gonna say? Look, I just sent the group chat. I'll hit them up real quick. If you could just send me your email, let them know. Let me know that you got it. That's weird. Because everyone like DM me said thank you so much. So that's so odd. All right, getting some displacement lower here. This is good. It's getting a little choppy ever since we took this previous day low. I want to see it, move with speed here to the downside. I market ordered in on this one. A TGIF. What do you mean TGIF? TGIF's only in trending weeks. I don't know what that is.
Exactly that.
This week has been a serious test of patience and discipline. I'm so glad I followed all my rules despite the losing streak, and now it's paying off. Who is in here right now? Jay, you heard that? Serious test of patience and discipline. I'm so glad I followed all my rules despite the losing streak. It has slowed down a little bit ever since 10 a.m. the past 25-30 minutes. So I'm gonna keep my stop where it's at, but I wouldn't be surprised if we had some like crazy candle to the upside, tag a 15-minute gap, and then dump. But with my stop being where it's at, this is my original TP that I was gonna hold. But once we started seeing that displacement lower, like with good speed, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna hold my TP since I'm not taking any partials because I didn't take enough contracts. With it being Friday and just how the week's been performing, I moved my TP down. I trailed my stop. I said TP trail to original TP. Idiot. Yeah, make sure you guys like the stream. Yeah. So recap the trade here. Coming into the day, I saw this hourly gap on ES and NQ, right? We had this previous week low on NQ that has not been tagged yet. I want to see us deliver from here. So I dropped down to the 5-minute chart. I saw us moving away. We displaced away, created this breaker on the 5-minute chart. I shorted right here, and then we've been in ever since. Took me about 1 minute to generate that bias. Yeah, of course. Just been shopping. Plan still stays the same. Honestly, this is probably what I'm going to do anyways. This is the last change I'm going to make. So either it's going to hit this, take me out at my original TP that I had, or it's going to hit this low, previous week low. So that's the plan. Yeah, about to say, like, wrap it up. Let's get this thing. Flat body low on the 5-minute. Like I said, I'm anticipating I get stopped out because we have a 15-minute gap up there. And it's about time we did a retracement, honestly. So it is what it is. But that's what I preach. Come on. Oh, I don't know why I peed on one. I wasn't really worried about the 15-minute bullish SMT because I was framing everything like the hourly. You see what I mean? I was doing top-down analysis, not like down top. Makes sense. Yeah. So we have this breaker here on the 5-minute. I was watching this one, right? And the main reason for that is because we had displacement through it, retested it. It also came up and tagged these as well, but I wasn't put my stop below this above this FEG because this one was higher. This is too small of a stop loss. Because this is like if your stop loss is here, it doesn't really invalidate the idea. This one definitely would. So yeah, that was kind of like what I was thinking there. Because I don't want to. I want to get some money. I want to get paid for this trade. And the tendency all week has just been take sweep highs and lows and then reverse. So I don't want that to happen.
Oh no, OG, my bad. I just got back from making sourdough.
I said about 10:30, 10:45.
I've already expected that. I'm not doing anything, bro. We're just letting Nick do his thing.
Yeah, he can make the hell out of some sourdough. I swear to God, bro.
Oh, good. I want to try and make my own sourdough bread.
Just try it.
I saw people trying to do it, but I don't think that I would be able to do it myself.
All right. Yeah, so going into the day, I wanted to see this previous week low get tagged, and then this morning we noticed that price at 9 a.m. right around 9:30 was trade inside this hourly gap, which is what I have marked off right here. And then I wanted to see displacement lower, like from 9:30 to 10 o'clock, whenever, and then I sold the breaker right here. So pretty much what I did. All breaker is just the last move up or down before the move up or down that takes liquidity. Is all it is. Eddie is back. Where you been at, bro? Where's my biggest fan at, bro? I missed you. I love how Eddie came in here this morning thinking I was gonna be bullish today or something. Wow, this is a generational trailed stop right here. The fact that we did not take my stop loss was amazing for once. View up all the way over there. We're not in the clear yet. I want to see us get through this low. But we did not make a fair value gap, and we completely retraced this whole candle. So what's the 1 minute look like? Yeah. If it's in bounce, it's in bounce from like right here. If low of the session is going to be right around in here if it's in bounce. But send me the trades. All right. It'll be all right, bro. Actually, I can't wait any longer. I gotta go see that. Let's peep this. All right, good. Good. What? Xanax, bro. Let's just stop on that one. Xanax here, live time here. So you got pretty much 430. You pretty much got a similar entry to. No, you got a little bit lower, 415. So you got 415. It's not like the worst. I mean, it's probably about 7 points lower than what I wanted to see. Hold on one second.
This was a solid play, dude. I would take this. Like, I think this is a good trade. Just
Wow, I got people here taking photos in my house. I might have to dip on this one. Y'all gonna watch me vacuum my room real quick.
The Lucid 50Ks are the best right now. 50% off. Oh, shit. I'm going to give this another 2 minutes. Chuck Norris died? That's a sad day. Damn.
All right. Appreciate it. Oh, fucking nail, bro. I don't like that Project X stuff. You guys ever try to? Nah, I usually always got copy on. Appreciate it, my heart. Let's see. Take profit trader. Yeah, stop is gonna stay where it's at. I want to see us push lower here because I actually have to dip.
Yeah, speaking of that, I'm going to dip too. I have nothing for the rest of the day. I mean, obviously, there's a 30-minute gap if that can maybe get tagged. But overall, I think that price is going to go to 24,217. That's daily external range low. But take off here. I hope you guys all have a great weekend. And per usual, we'll be back next week for the normal routine.
Matt, what days you gonna stream next week?
Well, I leave for next
that's-
week is going to be pretty short for me. So I will only be trading Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, and then I'm basically not streaming at all for the whole week.
Okay.
So I'm gonna be gone. I'm gonna be gone past Tuesday.
Okay.
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'm out.
Gotcha.
So I don't think that I'll be doing a YouTube stream next week. Maybe I'll do it on Monday. But that would probably be it. But we'll see.
Okay, Monday. All right.
We'll see. I'll probably make the schedule over the weekend or something like that. But deuces, y'all. Take care. And if you have any questions, put it in the trading room.
Take it easy, Matt. I don't know, but you can just throw it under Schedule C if you wanted to. Hey, people on Discord, just go to a YouTube stream. That way I can kind of just close my Discord. But let's see. Probably Tuesday through Friday or Wednesday through Friday. Hopefully this thing hits TP soon because I actually have to dip. Any tips for streaming? What do you mean by tips, bro? I don't. Just trade, I guess. About 7 years, 6, 7 years. About year 3, year 4. Yeah. It clicked in my mind first, and then like it started showing up in terms of the P&L. Well, that's usually what happens. Come on, can we just display slower? I mean, we're up 150 points at this point. You know what I mean? Like, you're 13? Oh my God, bro. I was doing stupid stuff, though. That's why. Come on, bro. 24,000. Come on, give this to us. Come on. We deserve this shit. We deserve this shit. It's like 15-minute gap. 15-minute gaps here. Come on. Purge the low. If we purge this low and close through it. Well, I'm not inactive on button. If we purge this low, I'm definitely going to move my stop a little bit more. Probably. If we close through this low, stops and go to this high. We got 3 more minutes until that happens, though. And we have another 50 points. Make sure you guys are liking the stream. Tim. Usually, yeah. I'll trade gold and if it's moving. It has been moving a little bit late recently. Yeah, for sure. I'll be live sometime, like at least 3 days a week next week. It's just it may be Tuesday through Friday, it may be Wednesday through Friday. I'm not sure. But yeah, I like live streaming too because it's hard for me to do dumb stuff on here without you guys clowning me. All right, good stuff. Get that closure here in 40 seconds. I don't look at YM that much, to be honest. I look at Matt's chart or whatever he has it pulled up. Another 20 seconds or so. One second. Okay, stop's going to this high. It's more of a time-based stop more than anything. So, yeah. Can't beat it. Good day today. It took 4 days for us to finally get this shit. A good move. So this is actually past my original TP. So this is good stuff here. This would be a 130-point trade if this hits my stop. And then a 220-point trade if it hits my... Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. Like, we're already almost at it. You know what I mean? Like, we're already almost, like, right here. It looks like we already did the open high. And now we're going to expand lower to form the low close. So, like... I don't even think I'm that greedy because I feel like most people would have their stop all the way up here still. Like I'm trailing mine because I'm not taking any partials, so I have to make money somehow. Yeah, I think so too. I'd like to see it before 11 a.m. That way I can get out of here. Yeah, I was. I was framing everything based off of this hourly gap. I can hit him up, see what he says. Oh my god. Yeah, it's a little choppy. Ever since 10 o'clock, it hasn't really done much. But this is literally the last line of defense for shorts. For this stop, I mean. Yeah, make sure you guys like the stream. Yeah, if you don't mind. Yeah, that's pretty much my thought process, CG. I don't know, bro. It takes time. It takes time for sure. Oh man, I'll freaking go off here and talk to some of my mentorship students. That's hilarious. Looks like I could take it out here. Honestly, I'm kind of praying it takes me out. I've been in this trade too long. This is like an hour and 20 minutes. Boom, thank God. All right, we're finally out. We caught 303. We caught 130 points. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. So, that's gonna do it for me. I have to bounce, so I'm gonna do the giveaway on Tuesday, Wednesday, whenever I stream next. And just make sure you guys are in there. I'll do a big giveaway. But I just have to go now. But yeah, appreciate everyone who was in here, took the trade. And yeah, nice little 7.5K day. Can't beat that. So, but appreciate it, guys. I'll see you guys back here. Make sure you like the stream. And see you guys back here next week. Take it easy. And now...